Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the device and removing any case or SIM tray. This prevents accidental damage. Use a suction cup or plastic pick to lift a corner. Go slow and steady because rushing rips glass. Once you see adhesive, use a soft cloth and 1/2 alcohol wipe to soften residue. Make sure to keep liquids off ports. You want a clean, grease-free surface before the new guard. This saves time and prevents bubbles later. Now clean the screen meticulously. Wipe with 1/2 alcohol on a lint-free cloth, then dry and inspect for dust using bright light. You want perfect alignment, so peel the protector backing just enough to create a hinge. Align the top edge with camera and sensor cutouts, then lower the protector slowly. Once aligned, press the center and spread outward with a card to force air out. This reduces bubbles and ensures adhesive contact across the whole surface. Finish by removing protective films and pressing edges firmly. Let the device sit undisturbed for 1–2 hours so adhesive bonds. If small bubbles remain, push them toward the nearest edge with a card. Persistent bubbles often disappear after 24 hours. If a speck of dust is trapped, lift the protector slowly from one corner, use tape to pick up the dust, and reseat the guard. Do this gently to avoid misalignment. If adhesion fails, replace the protector. Old adhesive can be the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.